Hey, Tyler Bell here. So we have reattached the gutter and it's covering it up now. We've got a piece of PVC board behind this gutter here. The gutter was crimped on the middle section, which was causing the water to not even go in the gutter. Replace the gutter. Going to check in the basement now. And of course, I have replaced all the aluminum, but behind the insulation here, I reapplied OSB board, covered it in a weather sheeting. Replaced this bottom 2x6 here. So we're good. No water's coming in. Everything's sealed up. Board on the side of the house is replaced. Gutter is fixed, repaired, and back intact. That is it. Thank you.